Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside Settings, go directly to Accessibility. This is faster than wandering menus. Once there, tap Display or Vision Controls because color inversion lives under Screen and Color Adjustments. If you're on a phone, use the search bar at top to jump straight to Accessibility. Make sure you note your OS version. Different labels exist, so knowing this prevents guesswork. Start the toggle process now. You're removing a global display filter, so proceed deliberately and keep the device awake. Once you find the color inversion control, switch it off and watch the screen immediately. This confirms the change. On some systems, you'll see Smart Invert versus Classic Invert. Choose the one enabled and deactivate it. If nothing shifts, exit and re-enter Accessibility to refresh the UI. Also check nearby settings like color filters and night shift because they can mimic inversion effects. Disable them if needed. Make sure to test with photos and white backgrounds so you see natural color restoration. To finish, restart the device so settings fully apply. This resolves most lingering inversion artifacts. If the inverted colors persist, reset accessibility preferences or install any pending OS updates because software bugs can lock visual modes. Should problems continue, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps that may force color changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if inversion still shows, test with a different user account or guest mode. Then contact support. There could be a firmware or hardware level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.